Ed here, and as promised, we've started and are going to bring you the drawings of the Murrells Inlet project. So this project that we're doing technically is named in the inlet, is in what they call Snug Harbor, which is was there long before the restaurant was. Okay, so we're going to start sharing our drawings with you like we talked about. So we have taken and enclosed all of these windows. These 4 large windows that we're doing have a 3-inch rope design that is bringing a border all the way around these windows. Now, as you can see, I've started numbering this in. So this is on each end of the salad bar, and as you can see, we have Snug Harbor. We want you to realize that you're eating in Snug Harbor. So once I get this numbered, I'm going to be sharing with you some other windows, but this window is being numbered today. And then we're going to, because we have to build 2 of them, then we're going to enclose it in some clear contact paper on the front side and the back side, because we don't want to ruin the pattern, because we do have 2 windows to build. And there's also, in this window, is going to be copper foil and lead mixed together. So I'm going to explain to you the process and show you how we're going to be doing copper foil for all of this lettering. We're probably going to be doing some copper foiling because of the way the dock is designed, but we're also going to be incorporating lead. And remember, the outside edge is just going to be 3/8 flat H lead. Now, our customer has the glass sizes, and they're building the frames to fit the glass. So stay tuned to not only this video, but many, many other videos as we move through the Murrells Inlet project. And again, for the ArtyRV channel, I'm Ed. Take the time to subscribe if any of this helps you. We appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in.